Here in Baringo, we are celebrating our diversity in a special way. This is Lake Bogoria Spa and Resort.
Bookings for this season is quite good compared to the 3 years before, and we are seeing almost full occupancy for the festive season. So we are very grateful for our clients for supporting us over many years, and we want to wish them happy holidays and happy New Year 2024.
Wakati hii sisi tunapata mapato, watu kama sisi wenye tunaimba tunategemea wakati hii kwa watoto wetu. Hata itasaweka kidogo mpaka wakati shule inafunguliwa unapeleka mtoto shule. Kwa hivyo wakati hii nimesema hapo awali ni sikukuu kubwa sana kwa sisi, sababu inatusaidia kwa mambo mingi. Wageni wale wanakuja kutoka Nairobi, wanakuja kutoka wapi, wanatusaidia kabisa.
And for the staff of Lake Bogoria, it's a beautiful hotel. The meals are good, the reception is good. And as we celebrate Christmas during these hard economic times, and we are here the Boxing Day, Christmas is a season of giving, and I would like to urge each and every one of us to give to the people who are close to us, the people who are having a hard times, the orphans, the widows in our community, and the less privileged. And as we continue to celebrate Christ in our hearts, let us continue to embrace one another as a nation and to continue embracing each and every one of us. And as we march to 2024, let it be a year of fruitfulness and prosperity as a nation and as a county.
So Baringo has so much culture tourism, sports tourism, and of course the scenic. Traveling to Baringo alone is just another tourism.